equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soldering iron, solder, and some heat shrink tubing. Ensure you have a clean workspace and all your tools within reach. First, unplug the Dyson SV12 and remove the battery. This is crucial for safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back cover of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the back cover is off, carefully disconnect the wiring harness. Take note of where each wire connects, as this will be important when you reassemble the unit. If you notice any frayed wires or a broken connector, this is likely the source of your issue. Now, let's focus on the broken connector. Using the flathead screwdriver, gently pry apart the broken connector. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding components. If the connector is completely broken, you will need to solder a new one in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Before soldering, prepare the wires by stripping about 1 centimeter of insulation from the ends. Twist the exposed wires together to ensure a solid connection. Next, heat your soldering iron and apply solder to the twisted wires. Make sure to use enough solder to create a strong bond, but avoid excess that could cause a short circuit. Once the solder has cooled, slide the heat shrink tubing over the soldered connection and use a heat source to shrink it down. This will provide insulation and protect the connection from future damage. After securing the new connector, reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring that each wire is in its correct position. This step is crucial for the vacuum to function properly. If you're unsure, refer to the notes you made earlier. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight and secure to prevent any rattling or movement during use. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug in the vacuum to test your repair. If it powers on and functions correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dyson SV12. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any surprises. This repair not only saves you money but also extends the life of your vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can keep your Dyson running efficiently for years to come. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.